Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very lovely prize for you guys, one of your favourites. This is a 1981 RD350LC in the Bounty colours. This one can be won on our website, the Classic Competition Company. Tickets are £2.99 and the draw date is on January the 25th. There we are. So what do we have here? Fully restored, fully rebuilt 1981 RD350LC. And there's beautiful Bounty colours, all been professionally repainted. And of course, as you can see, the wheels have been painted in the same blue as the light blue on the tank. It's got these really nice Delkevic high performance expansion chambers. So overall, really nice machine, fantastic condition. What we'll do now, start her up, see what you think she sounds like. So I haven't started. I've got your belly pan on there, so I can't touch it anywhere towards the engine, but yeah, all cold. It's a cold day as well in the countryside of England. So ignition on, running on. Also got a tap on the left hand side that needs to be on, or put it on reserve. Got a choke that we need to pull out on the left hand side as well, and I'll have a go at kicking it. Get it a bit dirty. There we are, see what happens now. Starts really easily. Very low compression, obviously, being the two-stroke twin. Sounds really good with those pipes. Very smooth engine as well. Nice smooth engine, no nasty rattles or knocks or anything. I had a really nice crackle from those aftermarket expansion chambers. I won't rev it too much because it was obviously cold. I will take the choke off. And it does not run with the choke off. Yeah, so obviously start again. I just turned the choke off there so it cut out, but we'll need warming up a bit before we can rev it up. Really nice bike, really nice condition. If you fancy a ticket, like I said, they're £2.99. It's the 25th of January 2026. And it's the Classic Competition Company as always. And thank you for your support. And if you do buy a ticket, good luck.